Hello students, today I am going to give you a live session on the concept of laws of motion. Well students, I am going to cover all the basic concepts of laws of motion with you, right? Like Newton's laws of motion, NLM. You know students, this concept of laws of motion is basically generated by the concept of inertia. And the concept of inertia was put forward by Galileo, not Sir Isaac Newton. Galileo told inability of a body to change its state, either rest into motion or motion into rest into motion or motion into rest or direction. तो लॉज ऑफ मोशन एक ऐसा चैप्टर है जिसके बेसिक्स मैं आपको रिवाइज करवाना चाहता हूं थ्रू द लाइव एंड इसके अंदर हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं स्टडी व्हाट इज द कॉज ऑफ द मोशन दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डायनामिक्स. Dynamics is that branch of physics where we study the cause of motion, and kinematics we do not take into account the cause of motion. Are you getting? So students, Galileo sir has given a concept of inertia. Inertia is what? Inability. कोई बॉडी रेस्ट पे है तो वो रेस्ट पे ही रहती है, कोई बॉडी मोशन में है तो मोशन में ही रहती है, कोई बॉडी एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में जा रही है तो वो पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में ही जा रही है, जब तक उसके ऊपर हम कोई एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी को ना लेके आए, until unless we do not bring into operation an external agency. अब आप पूछेंगे सर वो एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी क्या है? आपको भूख लगी है, खाना हमारे को चाहिए, भूख मिटाता है, वो एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी, उसका नाम खाना हो गया. तो यहां जो इनर्शिया को ब्रेक करे वो एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? फोर्स. तो व्हाट वी कॉल इट? फोर्स. इट इज अ पुल और पुश which changes or tends to change, which changes or tends to change the state of rest into motion or motion into rest or direction of motion of any object, direction of motion of any object, that is called force. सिंपल इट इज, राइट. जैसे एक किताब पड़ी है टेबल के ऊपर तो वो पड़ी रहेगी, आपने उसको उठाया तो आपने फोर्स लगाया, वो एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी आपने लगा दी. और एक बहुत बड़ा पत्थर है, चट्टान है, वो रेस्ट पे पड़ा है, आपने उसको उठाया लेकिन वो नहीं उठा, आपने क्या किया? tends to change. What you are doing? Tends to change. आप कोशिश कर रहे हो, वो भी एफर्ट है, that is also called force. Force है क्या चीज? Force is basically interaction. Force is basically interaction. अब इंटरेक्शन कभी एक चीज में नहीं होती, इंटरेक्शन कभी भी नेवर टेक्स प्लेस ओनली बिटवीन. अब मेरा अपने आप से क्या इंटरेक्शन होगा? मेरे स्टूडेंट से इंटरेक्शन होगा. तो इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट, बिटवीन द इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड source. Interaction between the object and source, that is called what? फोर्स। अब उस इंटरेक्शन में पुल भी हो सकता है, उस इंटरेक्शन में पुश भी हो सकता है। इट कैन बी पुल और इट कैन बी पुश। ए पुल और पुश which changes or tends to change the state of rest or of uniform motion and direction of motion of any object is called force. Correct? Force is the interaction. Force is the interaction between the object and source. For example, book lying on the table, object, and you are lifting it, you are the source. So it is the interaction between the object and force. Simple. I'm trying to explain you students. I'm trying to give you the basic concepts in this lecture. Now, since it is giving a specified direction as well as it is having a magnitude, the force is what? A vector quantity. Force is what? A vector quantity. The resultant force have the following effects. It may change only the speed of the object. It may change only the direction of motion of the object. It may change both speed and direction of motion of the object. It may even change the size and shape of the object. That is also called a force. I've tried to give you this concept of force. Hope it is clear, and give me your comments. I will not be giving you lengthy video. I will upload some slot, then second slot, then third slot, then so on. But topic will be NLM, Newton's laws of motion. You all know its units in MCAS system is Newton, and its CGS system, its unit is dyne. You know, students, I have noticed something. Some people write unit of Newton as like this. This is the name of Sir Isaac Newton. You have to write NEWTON with a small letter. That is unit. If you write with a capital, that is name. If you write symbol is N. Right? And CGS is in running, centimeter gram second system, that is dyne. And you all know its dimensional formula, that is ml1t minus 2. So this is how we can talk about the force, dimensional formula and definition. Hope it is clear. So I'm going to tell you the next topic, fundamental forces. Thank you.